Hi guys, I am Megha and welcome to Perkymegs. So today I'm going to talk about a product that uplifts your entire makeup, especially eye makeup. So that is a mascara. So today I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. This mascara is a cult favorite. It is loved by everyone and I now understand why. And finally, some international favorites are available in India too. So let me talk about it. So first of all, the mascara comes in this kind of a pink, luxurious kind of a packaging. If I talk about the brush, this is an hourglass shape brush, and it is the only affordable mascara that has this luxurious hourglass shape. It has 200 plus bristles, and normally mascaras have around 100 bristles, but this one has 200 plus bristles, and this is best for adding volume to the lashes. The price of this is 799 rupees, and let me just apply it and show you guys how excited I am to finally find a mascara that works on my eyelids, because I have naturally absolutely like kind of a zero lashes. Whatever mascara I apply, it doesn't show up much on my eyelashes. So mascara is not one of my favorite makeup products, but this one did change my lash game. This one makes my lashes, more open, and finally I feel like I have lashes. So that's why I'm really liking it. I'm just applying it, and you'll guys see yourself how much difference this makes on my kind of a no natural lashes. It makes it look voluminous. So I'm just applying it on my one eyelash, and I'll apply it, and you can see the difference it makes. Now you can see on both the sides, the one with no lashes and the one with lashes, it definitely looks big change. My eyelashes look more fluttery, opened up, so you can clearly see the difference. And let me now apply it to my other eyelash also. This is how both the eyelashes look now. You can see the before with no mascara and now with mascara clip, and now you must understand the excitement for me for this mascara, because I finally find something which works for my lashes. So for me, people like me who have no lashes, you can see this looked like this created a big change. So for people who have lashes, I think it is going to make dramatic difference, but I am just loving this, and I'll let you know the reason for this kind of a beautiful opened up lash look, this dramatic change. So everything is because of the brush of this mascara, the hourglass shape and the wavy bristles. So this brush has wavy bristles. What it does, it holds more formula. That's why in one swipe you see the difference. Also, the wavy bristles catch every eyelash, and that's why with one coat you see the difference. You saw my clip how it made like a big change. Also, the wavy bristles are more dense, so what they do is they tighten the eyelashes, and that's why they give lengthening effect. And the hourglass shape is best for adding volume to the lashes. This is very easy to use. It has kind of a creamy balmy formula, and that's why there is no drying, there is no clumping, there is no flaking, which I absolutely love. I don't like clumpy mascaras, and the formula of this makes it like clump free and no flaking. Also, it has caring oils like castor oil, rose oil, cornflower extract, and that's why there is no drying and flaking. You get like a fully opened up fluttery eyelashes. Also, this mascara is completely waterproof. So I'll show you, I'll insert a clip where I have like done a 7-hour test. So once I applied this on my eyelids, I was shooting, and then I wrapped up. I was totally exhausted, and then I got up after about 7 hours, and you can clearly see the eyelashes absolutely look voluminous, and they look quite opened up, fluttery, and there is no drying and clumping. There is no flaking. So I think this is really amazing, and this is the best, one of the best mascaras available in the market. You should really try it. So once again, the price of this is 799 rupees. I'll link it down in the description box below, so if you want to try it out, you can check the link. But really, you should really try it out. This is much better than all other mascaras in the market, and I absolutely love it. So that's my take, and that's my whole demo and the wear test of this L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. So girls, this was all about today's video. I hope you all liked it. If yes, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Perkymegs for more such interesting videos. Meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.